Whoa! She stinks. This summer, he can probably run behind you and go really fast.
Yeah.
Oh, that actually turns the steering wheel.
Hi, baby.
Look at that. Woohoo! You do that too?
Make him go, Daddy.
Here he goes. Bye. Bye. You gotta strap the feet to the pedals so he learns how to do that.
The pedals that if he gets old enough he can't pedal, he just put his feet there now.
Where'd Kevin go?
Okay. There he is. There he is. Hi.
Say bye-bye, baby.
Wow.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye to Auntie.
Wild driver. Wild driver?
Okay, can you say bye-bye? Or are you not going to?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh.
Bye-bye, Auntie.